You're losing 85% of internet users if you're not using push notifications. OneSignal, which is a top performing platform for push notifications, along with Isoto, SendPulse, PushEngage, are all designed to help you engage with your audience. In this video, I will show you how you can use OneSignal on WordPress and start building your audience. Let's dive in. Head to onesignal.com and log in. If you don't have an account created already, go ahead and create an account. Over here, let's add our details. Okay, now here let's fill this up. Name, first name, what category basically suits us. Let's just write marketing for now. Drive visits, okay, reduce churn, sure. And then let's select push notifications here. You can write a number and it's optional if you want to, and click on continue. Okay, now let's write the company or the organizational name. Okay, the website. Okay. Industry, let's go with media and news. Company size, let's go with this number and hit continue. Okay, it's Cocky Coconut. Write the name of your app and or your website, right? And then click create. And that's it. So here you'll start looking at the dashboard of OneSignal. You can complete this later if you want to, right? And okay, so let's head to settings and then click platforms over here on the left hand side. Okay, so we are looking to activate web push notifications. So let's select web and click on activate here. Okay, since you have a WordPress website, let's go ahead with the second option, which helps you add OneSignal to WordPress. So once you click on WordPress plugin or website builder, you will see WordPress highlighted here. Let's click WordPress. Let's write the website name, the site URL. If you have an icon handy, you can add your icon as well. And you can upload your own Safari certificate if you have that, right? You can just opt to you can add the toggle, choose the file that you want to, and then hit save. So once you reach this stage, right, where you can see the web configurations, you can move on to your WordPress dashboard. Let's go to the dashboard here. And let's add the OneSignal plugin here. So let's head over to plugin, hover on it, add new plugin. Let's search for OneSignal. Hit OneSignal. You can install and activate it. Okay. Now OneSignal is successfully activated. So you will start seeing OneSignal push over here on the left hand side. Let's click on that. Okay, so once we reach here, we'll have to copy the web configurations from the OneSignal dashboard. So let's copy the app ID. You can paste the app ID here. Let's go back and copy the API key. Let's paste the API key. And let's also copy the Safari web ID as well. And that's it. You can also go ahead and hide the notifications so that you don't end up stacking notifications, right? Or you can also choose it on which OS do you want to hide it on, if you want to hide it in the first place at all, right? Here, if you go down, you would see that you have an option to customize the prompt. You can change the size, the position, the text, how you want to show it. They suggest that you enable the subscription bell over, let's hide this for now, over attempting to actually go ahead and showing the native prompt. With native prompt, they suggest you not go ahead and do that, because it will also mean that a lot of people would look at it right when they land on the website, and it might not give a very good user experience, and it could also mean that you might get penalized. So here, if you also hover on this question mark, you would see why they recommend that you use a subscription bell and not a native prompt, right? So for now, let's enable the subscription bell. You can go and play around with different things where you can show the subscription bell after the user has subscribed as well. You can show the logo, you can customize like a lot of things here. Okay, now let's move down. And this is the welcome notification bit, right? This is something that you should definitely think of using. One, it also confirms that the user has subscribed to your notifications. And number two, it also gives you an opportunity to go ahead and send them to a popular article on your website. And let's say you probably have like a cooking recipe blog and you want to also send a cooking book that you have. So you can slide in like a 10% discount, encouraging them to go ahead and buy it. These are a few things that you can experiment with welcome notifications. So you can also go ahead and write the title, the message, set up a link if you want to send them somewhere. And yeah, then there, of course, there's UTM settings, the tracking settings that you can definitely use to go ahead and track the specific notification. And then let's hit on save here. Okay, this is saved. Now let's go ahead and check it on our website if it actually shows up. Now that the website has loaded, you would see that the OneSignal bell icon is right over here. So when you hover on it, it says subscribe to notifications. Let's click on this and then hit unsubscribe. Once you hit unsubscribe, it also sends you a welcome notification that you can see right here, which says thank you for subscribing. And like I mentioned, you can customize it. You can send them to a different page on your website, slide in a offer, and you can do a lot more over this. Okay, now let's head to the dashboard to see if you have started appearing. Basically, it should say one person has subscribed. Let's refresh this page. Yes, and like you can see here, it shows that total subscribers are 1. Over here you can see everything that you would want to, number of subscribers, people who are new, people who have unsubscribed. Again, this is in a paid plan as well. And there are a lot of stats that you can see, and you can go ahead and send out your first notification once you start gaining a lot of audience, start engaging with them and bring them back to your website. The interesting thing here is a lot of publishers not only use web push notifications to engage their audience, but a lot of them also use it to monetize their audience as well. The cricket launch, for example, generated over $418 in just 6 months using web push notification ads by Izuto. Want to know more about how you can engage or monetize your users? Head out to the comment sections and let us know. Bye.